I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, and we're checking out bin number 56. All right, let's get right into it. This is gonna be multiple bins though, because we're getting down to the wire and we're just combining stuff at this point. And this one is full of florals. So we have a bunch of little flowers in here. It looks like they're all loose, not very many look like they're connected to stems, but that's great because we actually sell loose bags and we also sell bunches. We sell like a bunch like this for $1, a single stem for $1, and then like the really big stems for $1. So our florals are pretty cheap. And I actually used to love using flowers like this. I have since switched to paper flowers because I do a lot of card crafting. Oh, look at the little bird. But I used to use a lot of like these silk flowers and these bunches. Now I would cut them up for greeting cards at the beginning. And also I used to make mermaid hair accessories. So a lot of the stuff would have come in really handy then, but it's just not really my craft anymore. So, or not my supply of choice anymore. Oh, look at the little birdie eggs. But I'm sure people would be really happy to find these. There's all sorts of stuff you could do with them. Obviously you can make bouquets, you could do decor, you could add them to signage. Oh my gosh, these are super pretty. Some of the really small ones I still keep and use for my vintage journaling, or not even vintage, like my fairy tale journaling. And of course you can make, like I said, hair accessories, fairy crowns, even greeting cards with them as these. So it's a really fun bin. Kind of dropping everything everywhere, but I'm trying to pull out a few cute ones to show you. All those ones say ribbonberry cluster. That's actually really cute. And then of course you have the roses. I like these ones. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but they're very prismatic and shiny. Oh, and those are so cute. They have like the little berries coming off of them. Definitely lots of fun ones to choose from in here. There's a bit of a closer look. Uh-oh, I see something on the side. Bob, are you hanging out in the flowers? I always said that his head looks like a little flower, and yeah, he just blends in perfectly. Maybe he wants to become a florist. But if you're new here, my name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin. We're located in Tampa Bay, Florida, and customers can trade in their leftover supplies for store credit. We made one-time exception though and bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection, as I mentioned earlier. This was 5 giant rooms full, spanning almost every single craft that you could name, and I'm constantly surprised by the things that we're finding. I've been wanting to pick up a couple new hobbies myself just from looking at all of this, so I hope it's inspiring you all as well. And if you're not local to Tampa Bay, you can still shop with us through our eBay store. We have a separate selection there, but lots of goodies, and you can find the link on our website at bottomofthebin.com. Oh, I just found some like actual dried flowers in there. That's really cool. I've been looking for some. I don't know if these are exactly what I'm looking for, but still really fun to see. All right, up next. Oh my gosh, these are Christmas trees. Oh, and they have little bendable branches, so I guess you can maybe store them, and then when you pull them out, you can hang little ornaments off of them and garland. Oh my gosh, you could put like the teeniest, tiniest little adorable ornaments on here. And look at this teeny tiny little wreath. Okay, that's pretty cute. I won't know why she had so many. I wonder what she was doing with them all. Oh wait, there's mostly just wreaths in here. I thought it was all trees. It's kind of a mix. Bunch of these. I mean, they go really well with the flowers. Obviously, you can combine them to make really cute designs. So for example, you could take these and just kind of weave them through there since they're on little, bendy, twisty bits, and just make your own little tiny wreaths to decorate your house or to decorate, I don't know, maybe a little Christmas village. But yeah, there's definitely some of these larger trees in here as well. That's really fun. I feel like I'm never going to get them back in here once I open the bin. All right, let's check out what's in this one. Ooh, these ones look all... Oh no, yes. Oh my gosh, mine. Keeping these. I don't even know why, but I need them. Oh my gosh, I literally hope the camera does this justice. I don't think it's gonna... Oh no, hold on. Oh, there's just, you can't really see it, but they are just rainbow prismatic. I see pink and green and purple through them, and they're just like these little crystal balls. Yeah, I need these for my journal for sure. But the rest of these look very Christmas themed, which was her favorite holiday because I've pretty much only seen the Christmas holiday stuff. in her bins, but these are so cute. They're little berries or fruit florals. And again, they're just great for like wreath making, decorating. Are these grapes? Oh my gosh, there is something about decorative grapes that I've always found just so adorable. I don't know why. I like glass fruit too. I used to have like a really fun glass fruit collection, so maybe it reminds me of that. But there is a ton of berries and fruit in here. Oh, and more grapes. This one is white, well, white and yellow, I guess. I'm making such a mess. This one's like frosted. It has like little crystals on top. Aw, that one has some cute little leaves. More of the grapes. And they match my shirt, of course. There's always something I feel like matches what I'm wearing when I'm going through the bins, just because they're so colorful and there's so much stuff in here. Wow, those are really cool. And oh my gosh, look at the little blue ones too. Wait, are these made of fabric? Oh my gosh, they are. Wow, that's like so whimsical and so fun. I don't even know what I would do with that, but I love it. Yeah, it just says holiday delight. Oh my gosh, one little branch was $6. That is so much. Some more of those blue ones. Oh, some little frosted grapes. A lot of the rest just looks like repeats of what we've seen. Wait, except these. Oh my gosh. Oh, they look like little raspberries. Okay, these are really cute. I didn't expect to like these so much. I'm gonna have to think of something that I could do with these because I'm gonna keep a couple. Oh, I got it. When I do my journaling, I do like a top-down view with the camera. And in the last one I did, it like decorated just like the border of it with some pink fake florals that I had. So this might be fun to do a fall or Christmas themed one. So yeah, I'll keep just like a couple of the ones that I really like just for decoration. There's a giant bin, so there's plenty in here. Okay, and this is from the second part of the bin. Like I said, there's quite a lot in here. So I wanted to kind of keep all the florals together. This is some sort of fan, I guess. I don't really know. The label says wooden parts and natural components. This, I don't know, looks like some sort of dried flowers or moss. I'm not a huge fan of moss because it gets everywhere, so I'm going to be a little cautious with this bin. Aw, look at the cute little birdie. He's so adorable. I'd pull him out, but he's in a package, brand new. And there are some large pine cones in here. Fun little paper elements. Oh, these fans in different colors. And yeah, just a bunch of moss that I don't really want to get everywhere right now. Oh my gosh, there's like little acorns on the bottom too, but there's a little bit of a better look. All right, next we have natural picks, grapes, plums, and pineapples. Okay, I'm curious. Oh, look at these little baskets. They're so cute. They have like little rainbow tinsel on them. Kind of hard to see. There's some gold ones, little mini silver, and some speckled eggs. I don't know why, but I think eggs are so adorable. I would say, I don't know, I used to say Halloween was my favorite holiday, but not really so much anymore. I think it's Easter because of the eggs and the pastel and the candy. The Easter candy is great. I don't know what these are, but kind of cool, kind of creepy. I don't know. But yeah, I'd say Easter is my favorite, so. Oh my gosh, hold on. Look, it's like, oh, you can't really see. It's a little honeycomb and there's bees on it. That is so adorable. Also, I have glitter on my forehead. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can get a little closer just so you can see how cute that is. And then besides more baskets, this one also has some tiny wreaths, but these ones are made of wood, like little twigs. I could see some cool projects being used, or I could see these being used to create some cool projects for sure. And in this one, it's labeled White Christmas. Okay, I really am not a huge Christmas crafter, but I do like me a nice pastel or white winter decor thing going on. Like these little sparkly stars are so cute. I just don't really like the traditional red and green for some reason, but my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know how to get the camera to like pick up the I don't know, like the sparkle and shimmer of things, but yeah, this is definitely really, really pretty. It's got little shimmers of color. We've got this gorgeous ornament here, and this one is so intricate. There's a bell inside, and we've got a little glittery nutcracker as well. Wow, these glass ornaments are just so beautiful. Oh, these are plastic. These ones are plastic. They look like they were glass. They fooled me. That's really cute too. It's just very fantasy-like. We got a little, what is that? It's supposed to be a pine cone? Oh, look at the deer. Wow. That is super cute. And this, oh, like gold feathers? Are they supposed to be feathers or branches? These look familiar. We just had a bunch of those in the larger bin over there. Some more ornaments. These are really sparkly. Oh, these branches. Wow, just so whimsical, so pretty. And these, I don't know if you'll be able to see the difference, but those as well. And again, they're all covered in glitter. I cannot emphasize how glittery and shiny they are. Oh, I see snowflakes. Ooh, and more ornaments. Those are cool. She loved her snowflakes. We found a bunch of wooden and paper snowflakes that she made in one of the other earlier bins. Well, that'll do it for bin number 56. Make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.